Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of basic science and ecology and environment. So the first question is, how is the National Green Tribunal different from the Central Pollution Control Board? So the first statement is, the NGT has been established by an act, whereas the CPCB has been created by an executive order of the government. Second, the NGT provides environmental justice and helps reduce the burden of litigation in the higher courts, whereas the CPCB promotes cleanliness of streams and wells and aims to improve the quality of air in the country. So, which of the statements given above are correct? Option number A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option number B, two only. So, CPCB is statutory organization. It was constituted in September 1974 under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. So option number first is wrong. So principal functions of the CPCB as spelled out in the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 and the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 is to promote cleanliness of streams and wells in different areas. So last part of sentence second is right. And in environment, NGT was set up in 2010 under the NGT Act 2010 for the purpose of effective and expeditious disposal of cases relating to environmental protection. So the tribunal shall not be bound by the procedure laid down under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, but shall be guided by the principles of natural justice. The tribunal is mandated to make an endeavor for disposal of applications or appeals finally within 6 months of filing. So first part of sentence second is right. So this was all about question number first. So UPSC can ask questions on environmental organizations like NGT, CPCB, other organizations. UPSC can also ask that also. So you should cover all important environmental organizations from standard sources. So now let us discuss question number second. Consider the following: first, carbon monoxide; second, methane; third, ozone; fourth, sulfur dioxide. So which of the above are released into the environment due to burning of crop or biomass residue? Option number A, 1 and 2 only; B, 2, 3 and 4 only; C, 1 and 4 only; option number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So biomass burning is a source of greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. In addition, biomass burning is a source of chemically active gases including carbon monoxide, non-methane hydrocarbons and nitric oxide. So these gases along with methane lead to chemical production of tropospheric ozone. So answer should be D 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this was a question that was asked by UPSC in 2019 prelims examination, and this is the trend of the UPSC to ask questions on what are the gases released by this industry or this residue. So you should prepare all these topics from standard sources. So now let us discuss question number third. With reference to Indian elephants, consider the following statements. First, the leader of an elephant group is a female. Second, the maximum gestation period can be 22 months. Third, an elephant can normally go on calving till the age of 40 years only. Fourth, among the states in India, the highest elephant population is in Kerala. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option number A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 4 only, C 3 only, D 1, 3 and 4 only. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option number A 1 and 2 only. So, as per the 2017 data, Karnataka has the highest number of elephants, that is 6049, followed by Assam, which is having 5719, and Kerala, which is having 3054. So, statement fourth is wrong. So, in the majority of cases, an elephant group is headed by a female elephant named matriarch. So, statement number first is correct and answer should be A. So UPSC has asked questions on biodiversity, and biodiversity is the favorite topic of UPSC. So you should cover biodiversity topic holistically from standard sources, and especially those species which are in news nowadays. So now let us discuss question number 4, which is consider the following minerals. First, calcium. Second, iron. Third, sodium. So which of the minerals given above is required by human body for the contraction of muscles? Option number A 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option number C 1 and 3 only. So calcium is the most common and abundant mineral in the body, and it is important for healthy bones and teeth, helps muscle relax and contract, important in nerve functioning, blood clotting, etc. And sodium is needed for proper fluid balance, nerve transmission and muscle contraction. So this was all about question number 4. So now let us discuss question number 5. A company marketing food products advertises that its items do not contain trans fats. What does this campaign signify to the customers? First, the food products are not made of hydrogenated oils. Second, the food products are not made up of animal fats or oils. Third, the oils used are not likely to damage the cardiovascular health of the consumers. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option number A 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D 1, 2 and 3 only. So a type of trans fat occurs naturally in the milk and body fat of ruminants such as cattle and sheep at a level of around 2 to 5% of total fat, and natural trans fats, which include conjugated linoleic acid and vaccinic acid, originate in the rumen of these animals. So you should know the difference between trans fats and cis fats. So this is also very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So you can read the difference between the both from internet or the standard sources. So this was all about today's video. I hope you liked the video, so you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.